Dear learners, welcome to your favorite coding channel, Code Your Electronics, with our next class, Class 27, Iron Man Laser Blast, Hand Laser Flash, 3 times, using pin D4. Let's learn the step-by-step process for same. Step 1, charge my laser. pinMode 4, output. This code will make Iron Man's hand laser LED ready to glow, which is connected to pin D4. Step 2, prepare for 3 laser shots. In this step, we will use for loop in which, firstly, an integer variable I is initialized to 0. Then, condition I less than 3 is checked. As it is true, the code inside for loop will be executed. Then, execution will go to the increment section of for loop, that is, I++. It will increase the value of I by 1. Thus, here, for loop will execute 3 times from 0 to 2. And, at I equals to 3, execution will come out of for loop. Step 3, fire the laser. digitalWrite for high. This line of code inside the for loop will turn on the LED connected to pin D4. Then, next line, delay 200 will hold the LED glow up to 200 milliseconds, or 0.2 seconds. Step 4, pause the laser between blasts. digitalWrite for low. This code will turn off the LED connected to pin D4. Delay 100. This code will hold the darkness for 100 milliseconds. Step 5, recharge the laser blaster. Delay 1500. This code will wait for laser to cool down till 1.5 seconds or 1500 milliseconds before the next loop. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. You can also follow us on Instagram for all updates.